Welcome to another showing of the Cocktail Enthusiast with myself, the Cocktail Enthusiast. Today we're diving back to the classics, doing a super simple cocktail that's 2 ingredients long, easy to make, and hopefully tasty as well. I'm super pumped to give it a try. We're looking at how to make a French connection. Let's go. And always remember, if you like what you're about to see, hit that like button, click that subscribe button so I can continue to give you, the viewer, that entertaining juice, that flavor, that oh yeah. It's not much, but let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want Amaretto of your choice. I'm using daresay, Cognac, and today's glass of choice, a snifter. Now for the pour. First, you're gonna get in 1 1/4 ounces of Amaretto. Next, we're gonna follow up with 1 1/4 ounces of your Cognac. Next, we're gonna get some ice in your mixing glass. Listen, I love when cocktails are quick and straight to the point. But you know what else is quick and straight to the point? Clicking that subscribe button.
Oh, that's hot.
Now what you wanna do is stir your mix to chill the drink for about 40 to 50 seconds. Next, let's grab your snifter and fill it up with some ice. Technically, I didn't need to put the snifter in the freezer, but I have a tough time with stirred cocktails, so I want this to be as cold as possible. Now let's go ahead and pour in your mix.
Looking real good.
Lastly, for our garnish, we're gonna use a dehydrated lemon.
Nice.
And now, it's time for the taste rating.
Here we go again.
See, now I ain't no fool. I know separately what Amaretto and Cognac taste like, so I kind of have a good idea of what to expect, but I want to believe that my expectations will be shattered. So without further ado, let's give this a sip. Oh, it's nicely chilled too, Jesus. Ooh, it's very potent. Whoa.
Bruh.
You know something? It's not as rigid as I thought it would be. This is actually really good. I don't know what I was expecting. I was expecting something more bitter, more aggressive. I almost want to put this above an old fashioned. Personally, for me, I would actually prefer this more than an old fashioned. This is smooth, tasty. You get that nutty flavor from the daresay or daresay, and then that flavor from the Cognac, it really comes through and stretches it. You know, man, what a work of art. The French connection. Say word. I wasn't really expecting this cocktail to taste as good as it does. I say this is better than an old fashioned. Now that's a hot take. That's a real hot take. That's a real hot take, but I'm calling it. Personally, I like the French connection more than an old fashioned. I will see myself drinking this a lot more. I wasn't much of a Cognac guy, but now I have a reason to buy more bottles. I like this cocktail, but don't you take my word for it. You take that sip and love life. So you can expect to see my next video next week, as always, but until then, sink your teeth into this cocktail. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't in the comment section below, because I can take both ends of the spectrum. And always remember, I'm not a bartender or a specialist. I'm just a cocktail enthusiast making some good ass cocktails and having a good ass time. Oh yeah. You know what time it is. I gotta go through that cellular device of mine and just dive through the archives of my previous video, which was the daresay cocktail. And if you haven't watched it already, go and check it out. See what's going on. That cocktail is vibrant, tasty, and it'll make you hungry, I think. But we got a comment from Cocktail Tony saying, I'm loving the daresay, keep up the good work. Tony, you keep up the good work. You keep being you and you keep doing what you do. Keep being Cocktail Tony. Hell yeah. Angry Cocktail's coming through saying Campari is too much for him and he has substitute aperitivos whenever he needs one. Honestly, Campari is truly an acquired taste, man. Like, the sharpness of Campari is, I dare say, lethal. You could kill somebody with Campari if you use it correctly. If you use it correctly, that is. Not that I think about that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying. Art Drinks and Things by Damo says he can taste the power. In fact, he's such an edgelord. This man has had Campari straight. Be a man like Damo. Be rigid. Be an edgelord. That's how you do it. That's alpha male activity right there. Commander Cool says, man's back in Halo for 3 days and he's already dabbing on us. Ooh, hey, you should check out that dab, by the way. If you haven't seen the dab, check out that old video until I get to the dab part. That said, if you haven't played Halo Infinite yet, I don't even know if my viewers game, but if you game, what are you here for? Actually, no, you stick around until this video is done. But once this video is done, you go and download Halo Infinite right now, queue up in big team battle, capture the flag, let's go. Honestly, it's the best game. It's so fun. I won't even promote Halo for you, but just go and download the game and you'll see what I'm talking about. And we got a comment here from Rocco540 saying, Island boy. Listen, Rocco's my boy IRL, man. Me and Rocco go way back. That's my, hey, listen. Rocco, I don't see you on my videos enough, man. You gotta comment more. You gotta show these OGs what's good. But I gonna see you tonight on Halo. You know how we do it, man. We get that capture the flag action. Let's go. We ranking up, baby. Let's go. But that's all I got for today. This video was great. It was short. It was sweet. Sorry I couldn't really give you anything explosive. But this cocktail is still really good. I highly recommend it. Give it a shot if you haven't. If you have those liqueurs and whatever handy in your collection right now, honestly, give it a shot. It's very tasty, smooth, and easy to consume. But I'm gonna go and enjoy this, get this video edited up so I can have it to you in good time, and do what I usually do at this point and, you know, get that Halo action. But anyway, I'll see you guys next week. I may have another video for you soon. I'm not gonna make any promises, but for sure I'll see you next week. Enjoy. Peace out.